Star witness to clearly a reluctant witness. The former law partner for Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade offered no testimony this afternoon that conflicted with what DA Fani Willis said under oath about their relationship. Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us tonight for Fox 5 News at 5. I'm Tom Haynes.
I'm Courtney Bryant. It was a series of texts between Terrence Bradley and one of the defense attorneys that helped lead to this extraordinary attempt to dismiss the election interference charges against Donald Trump and others. But let's bring in Fox 5 I-Team reporter Randy Travis. And Randy, you say that Bradley refused to repeat under oath what was said in those texts.
That's right, Courtney. Yeah, and even Judge Scott McAfee thought that Bradley would be the star witness in this case. But Bradley fought the subpoena to testify, arguing anything he knew was covered by attorney-client privilege because he was also Wade's divorce attorney. The judge eventually decided that exemption did not apply. Wade and Willis have already testified they only began dating in early 2022, after she hired him to run the Trump investigation. They also testified she did not gain financially from any trips they took together because they roughly split expenses. But defense attorney Ashley Merchant produced text messages to her where Bradley claimed the couple began dating in 2019. If so, that would cast doubt on whether the DA and Wade told the truth on the witness stand. Clearly reluctant to be in court, Bradley repeatedly said his observations were speculation, and he only remembered Wade talking once about any romantic relationship with Willis.
I recall him stating that at some point they were dating. I can't tell you what date that was. It was made in confidence. We were in the back of our office. Our officers were the only two in the back. There was no one else present. That is all I can tell you at this time.
Well, defense attorney Steve Sadow suggested it was hard to believe that Wade and Bradley would speak only one time about his relationship with Willis. But Bradley insisted he could recall no other conversations. Bradley's testimony lasted about 2 hours. Closing arguments are scheduled for Friday. And then Judge McAfee has to decide whether there's a conflict of interest here that would cause him to have to remove Fani Willis from the case completely.
And I guess the big question from today is, was his testimony, or evasiveness for that matter, damaging to Fani Willis and Nathan Wade and the continuance of this trial?
Let's just say he didn't offer any new testimony that confirmed anybody else's testimony in this case. But it'll be up to the judge to decide, how much weight to give Mr. Bradley, the supposed star witness of this whole case.
Yeah, certainly didn't seem like he wanted to be testifying today.
It was clear.
Yeah.
It was absolutely clear.
Randy, thanks.
Thanks, Randy.